Very good morning, children. Today in the dance class I am going to teach for you the Shivastakam. Mohana Ragam Kandachapu. Kandachapu means 5 beats. Taka takita taka takita taka takita tadim ta ka ta ki ta. The last class I already started for you first jati ta hatta dhindham tadhikkitatonga na hatta dhindham takadhikkitatonga dim dim kinatonga dim dim kinatonga nutakinat kinatonga dim dim kinatonga nutakinat kinatonga dim dim kinatonga ta hatta dhindham Taragidatagadhittanga tadindham Taragidatagadhittanga tad dhanata tad januta tad dhimita tad taragidadam tad dhanata tad januta tad dhimita tad taragidadam tad dhanata tad januta tad dhimita tad taragidadam dhim Prabhum prananadam vibhum visvanadam Jagannada Nadam Sadananda Bhajam Takatakita Tadhim Prabhum Prananadam Vibhum Viswanadam Jagannada Nadam Sadananda Bhajam Takatakita Tadhim Bhavat Bhavya Bhuteshwaram Bhutanadam Shivam Shankaram Shambhu Misanamide Taka takita, you have to make one round. After that, left side you have to go 1, 2, 3 start. Bhavat Bhavya Bhuteshwaram Bhutanadam Shivam Shankaram Shambhu Misanamide. Here you have to do Taka, takita, make round inside. Taka, takita, tadhim. Up to here, for the first, this one you have to go, take like this, you have to go, make round inside. After that, today I am going to teach for you Galerum Damalam Tanav Sat Pajalam Mahakala Kalam Ganesadipalam Takatakita Taddim Galerum Damalam Tanausa Pajaram Mahakala Kalam Ganesadipalam Takatakita Taddim. Up to here I am going to teach for you. You have to learn. 1, 2, 3 start. Now 1. Galerum. Put your hands like this. Galerum Dhamalam Tanav Sarpa Jhalam. Then Maha Kala Kalam. Mahakala. Raise up your hands. Kalam. After that, Ganesadi Palam. Takatakita Tadhim. Again, Galerum Dhamalam Tanav Sarpa Jhalam Mahakala Kalam Ganesadi Palam. Here you have to go inside. Takatakita tad, dhim. Now 1, 2, 3. Galerum, damalam. You have to walk. 1, 2, 3. Start. Put your hands like this. 1, 2, 3. Start. Galerum, damalam, tanau, sarvajhalam. Here you have to fully sarvasesham on the shoulder and sarvajhalam like this. After that, mahakala, mahakala. Raise up your leg. Kalam. Fully look at your right side. Then you have to go back. Ganeshadi. One step forward. Palam. Put your hands and slowly takatakita tadhim. Ganeshadi Palam. Put your hands. Tripatak. Open your thumb. Ganeshadi. And fully stretch your left hand. And 1, 2, 3. Hold your right leg. Jump. Gane. Bend down. And back straight. And look at the left side corner. Ganeshadi Palam. Like that. Again. 1, 2, 3. Here. Galerum. Dhamalam. Tanau. Tanau. Sarpa. Jhalam. Sarpa. Jhalam. On your shoulder. 1, 2, 3. Start. Again. I'm going to take this one. You have to walk this one. 1, 2. Tadhi. Dhanna tadhinda. Tadhi. Dhanna hinda. Taka. Takit. Haka. Takit. Walk. How you have to walk? 1, 2, 3. Start. Galerum. Damalam. Tanau sarpa. You have to walk like that. 1, 2, 3. Start. Put your hands. 1, 2, 3. Start. Galerum. Dhamalam. Tanau sarvajhalam. Only here you have to bend. Sarvajhalam. Mahakala. Use kalam. You have to be very serious and like this. Cut. Kalam. This right leg have to go forward and jump and go back. Ganeshadi Palam. One step forward. Palam. One round. Taka. Taka takita tadhim. Now same movement. Galerum. Dhamalam. This leg you have to beat. Galerum. Dhamalam. Tanau sarvajhalam. You have to beat and you have to go to this left side corner of the stage. Same movement, the body movement. Galerum. Dhamalam. Bend. And the body movement you have to do bend down. Bend like this. Right side also you have to bend. Left side also you have to bend the body movement. This is very important. 1, 2, 3. Start. Here you have to start. Like the 1, 2, 3. Start. Galerum. Again. Dhamalam. Tanau sarvajhalam. Like this. This body movement is very important. Bend right side and left side along with the leg movement, body movement. You have to show the movement to the audience. After that, 1, Mahakala. Now you have to take the movement, Kapita, You have to take the movement. Mahakala. Kalam. Left side. 1, 2, 3. Start. Put your hands like this. 1, 2, 3. Start. Mahakala. Now you have to 1, 2, 3. Maha 1, 2, 3. Mahakala. Kalam. Gade. Sadi. Like this movement you have to do 1, 2, 3. Start. Right side. Mahakala. Kalam. Gade. Sadi. Kalam. Like this. Back stride, and one step forward, and put your hands and Palam. Here you have to go inside. Takka, takkitta, tadhi. Like this. This is very important. Here, right side, jump. Here, left side, you have to do left hand and jump inside. Then after that, Jata Jhuta, Gango Tarangai Visishyam. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3. This one Jata Jhuta. In the top, you have to take the knot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kapitta, Katakamuka. 1, 2, 3. Open. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Left hand up, right hand down. Like this. See this one. Kapitta. Take the Kapitta mudra. Kapitta, Katakamuka. 1, 2, 3, and left hand up, 4. This one you have to do in the top. 1, 2, 3. 1. Like this. Back. Look up and look at your right side. 1, 2, 3, start. Again, I am teaching from the beginning. Gaderum, Kanta. You have to do Kanta means you have to show the Shanka, Ardhachandra, and take the Shikara and catch your thumb and touch it together. This is called Shanka. Like this. This throat. This is a Kantam. Kantam it look like a Shanka. Like this. Gaderum. Dhamalam, skulls, Dhamalam. Tanav, full body, snakes are there. Tanav, body, full of your body. Tanav, Sarpa, Jalam. Like this. Lord Shiva is having the snakes all out on the shoulders. 1, 2, 3, start. Here, on the neck, on your shoulder, on your belt, everything. Lord Shiva is like this, snake like this. 1, 2, 3, start. Galerum, Dhamalam, Tanav, Sarpajalam, Mahakala, like this. Kapitta, take this Kapitta mudra. Kapitta, Mahakala, Kalam, Ganesadi, Palam, blessings. Then one round. Taka, Takitta, Tadhim. Now this movement, they have to learn 1, 2, 3, start. Hold this one, beat. Kunchita Padam, then beat. 1, digi, tom. Again, 1, 2, 3, start. 1, digi, tom. Again, 1, digi, tom. 1, digi, tom. 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, along with the body movement. Galerum, Dhamalam, Tanau Sarpa Sarpajhalam. Now go on your right side. 1, 2, 3. Mahakala Kalam. This left side, left leg should go back. Ganeshadi, Ganeshadi. One step forward. Palam, back straight and bend. Now here, inside you have to go. Taka, takita. Take the movement. Ta, dhi. This movement, finishing should come like this. This finishing is very important. How whenever you are doing this step, 1, 2, 3, start. Taka, takita. Then take the movement, 1, 2, 3, jump, ta, dhi. Then you have to go for 1, 2, 3, start. Jata, jhuta, like this. Then Gangottarangai, Ganga, Ganga Nadi, you have to show. This Kapita indicates goddess Ganga. 1, 2, 3, start. Like this. 1, 2, 3, start. And this is the, like this, river is flowing down, the water is flowing down. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, 1, 2, 3, start. Jata jhuta gangottarangai visishyam. Now here we have to do here 1, 2, 3, start. Shivam Shankaram Shambhu Visanamide. This leg movement is very important. Whenever you are jumping this, raising up, here you have to 1, 2 beat like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is very important for the dance. 1, 2, 3, start. How this hand movement? 1, 2, 3, start. Shivam Shankaram Shambhu Mishanamide. Then little bit make it then takita tadhim. Like this. This hand should go, elbow should be up like this. Fully stretch like this. And leg movement, stretch your leg and bend your body on your right side. Make one circle, takita tadhim. Like this. Again, I am going to teach again from the beginning. 1. After that 1, after the Prabhum Prananadam, the second one is going to start. Second stanza, Galerum. 1, 2, 3, start. Gale, Galerum, Damalam, Tanau, Sarpa, Jhalam, Mahakala Kalam Ganeshadi Palam Taka Takita Tadhim. Now 1, 2 with hands. Put your hand like 1, 2, 3, start. Galerum Dhamalam Tanau Sarpa Jhalam Mahakala Kalam. Backward jump. Ganeshadi Palam. Here you have to do taka takita. Fully put your hands, make one round, takata kitta tadhim. After that, jata jhuta gangota rangai visishyam. 1, 2, 3, start. Jata Jhuta. Fully here, make one round, fully right side, like this. Gangota Rangai Viseshyam. One, jump, one. Shivam Shankaram Shambhu Misana Vide. Full stretch. Slowly bend. Taka takita tak dhim. One. Here. Up to here, you have to do practice every day. Please watch the video and do more practice. This item, total 8 stanzas are there. Sivastakam. Next class, I am going to teach one more stanza for you. Next class, we are going to meet again. Until then, bye bye children.